Hi guys, welcome back with the fourth and last puzzle. It's a tectonic with 4 stars in this summer additional of today's newspaper on Thursday, August the 4th, 2022. And I've already solved 4 puzzles. Oh, apologies. 4 puzzles. There are 4 puzzles, 4 Sudokus. The letter Sudoku we have here, I've already solved the 2 stars and the 3 star Sudokus. And the last puzzle is a tectonic with 4 stars. Okay. This will be number 4963. And for 4 stars puzzle, I need 30 minutes or more to solve. Yes, that's my time limit, 30 minutes or more for a 4 stars puzzle. We'll see if this is really a 4 stars. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has 13 printed digits. Could be an easy one, could be a hard one. We will see. Oh, apologies again. All right. So let's get started. First question to you is, can we see here the single box? Because the single box is always a 1. I cannot see any single boxes here. I see here a dual box. There are dual box. The dual box contains the 1 and the 2. Well, I cannot fill this yet. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Here also I cannot fill this yet. Let me mark those 2 boxes. 2 dual boxes, triple box. I see here a triple box. Only 1 triple box. Yes, 1 triple box. Contains the 1 and 2 and 3. I cannot fill this yet. Need more information. But when you see a triple box, remember that the inside box, the box near the middle box, is always 4 or a 5. Okay, 4 or a 5. Triple box, quadra boxes then. I see here a quadra box. Contains the 1, the 2, and the 3. Contains the 1, the 2, the 3, and the 4. Well, this box can be a 1, can be 2, should be a 3, can be a 4. Yes, definitely 3. Okay, so this box can be a 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there. Okay, and the other numbers could be everywhere. Only 1 quadra box here. Alright, 1 quadra box. Then the following strategy is to recognize some shapes, some figures, structures, or constructions. For example, this shape. Let me draw this shape here. Alright, let me draw this shape here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. Okay, so this box has the same number as that box. Okay. Interesting. More of these kind of shapes? No. Then the following shape, the L shape. Let me draw the L shape here. When you see the L shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. Okay. The L shape, upside down. Okay. Here another L shape, mirrored. This box has the same number as that box. So in this case, it's the 1 or a 2. But we already have a 1 here, so this box can't be 1 anymore. This box should be a 2. And it's connected with that box, should be also a 2. 1 box left in this dual box for number 1. Now we have a 1 here, so this box can't be 1 anymore. That box should be a 1, and this box should be a 2. Okay. Do we have more L shapes here? L shape. This box has the same number as that box. So in this case, it's a 2. Here another L shape. This box has the same number as that box. So in this case, it's a 2. Right, those are the L shapes. Okay, then the following shape. How about this shape? Let me draw this shape here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. Okay, so this box has the same number as that box. Okay, and those are the shapes that you need to recognize in this puzzle. Yes, we have only 3 of them. Yes, that you need to recognize. There are more. Maximum are 6, but not in this puzzle. In this puzzle, we have only 3 of them that you need to recognize. And the question is, why you need to recognize those shapes? Well, then the following step, it's easy for filling those numbers. So let's get starting filling those numbers. Well, this box, it's in a triple box. It can only be 1, 2, or a 3. 1, 2, or 3. But this box is also connected with that box. Should be also 1, 2, or a 3. But it cannot be a 1 because we have a 1 here. It can be a 2. We have a 2 there. So the only digit left should be a 3. And this box is connected with that box. Should be also a 3. 2 numbers left in this triple box for numbers 1 and 2. We have a 2 there. No 2 there. 2 should be here and a 1 goes there. Alright, this box can be a 1, that box can be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1 in this L shape should be here. 2 numbers left in this L shape for numbers 3 and 5, we have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here and a 3 goes there. These 3 boxes surround a 4 can be a 4, so the 4 could be here, could be there. I think this box should be a 2 because it can be 1, should be a 2, can be 3, can be 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely 2. These 2 boxes can be 2, so 1 box left for the 2 should be here. 2 numbers left, the 1 and the 4. In this area, 1 and a 4. Let me mark those. That means that box can be a 4. If I place a 4 here, I cannot fill any 4 in one of those 2 boxes. So it's not the solution, place the 4 there. The only place left for the 4 should be here. 2 numbers left in this L-shaped area for the numbers 3 and 4. 3 and 4, we have a 4 now. So no 4 there, 4 should be here, and a 3 goes there. I think this box should be a 3. Well, because it can be 1, can be 2, should be a 3, can be a 4, but also cannot be a 5. Because if I place a 5 here, this box is connected with that box, should be also a 5, but we already have a 5 here in this area, so it can be a 5, so it should be a 3, definitely a 3, and this box is connected with that box, should be also a 3. These 2 boxes can be 4, so 1 box left for the 4 in this area, should be there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and a 2, let me mark those, 1 and a 2, okay. Alright, let me see. These 2 boxes in this L-shaped area for the numbers 1, 2, 3 is missing, the 4 and the 5 is missing. 3 and a 5, 3 and a 5. We have a 3 now, so no 3 there. 3 should be here and a 5 goes there. I think this box should be a 3 because it can be 1, can be 2, should be a 3, can be 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely 3. Okay, I think this box should be a 5 because it can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, can be 4. Yes, definitely a 5. 1 box left in this area for number 1. Now we have a 1 here, so this box can be 1 and more. That box should be a 1, and this box should be a 4. Okay. I've marked this box with 4 or a 5. We have a 5 there, so it can't be 5 anymore. This box should be a 4. I think this box should be a 5 because it can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, can be 4. Yes, definitely 5. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and 2. We have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here and a 1 goes there. These 2 boxes can be 2. Those 2 boxes can be 2. So 1 box left for the 2 should be there. These 2 boxes can be 3, so 1 box left for the 3 in this area should be there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and 4. We have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here and a 4 goes there. I think this box should be a 4 because it can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, should be a 4, can be a 5. Yes, definitely a 4. I think this box should be a 3 because it can be 1, can be 2, should be a 3, can be 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely 3. I think this box should be a 5 because it can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, can be 4. Yes, definitely a 5. One box left in this area for number 2. These 3 boxes surround 1 can be a 1. Those 3 boxes surround 1 can be 1. So 1 box left for the 1 should be there. Then let me see. Yeah, 1, 2. Okay, this box can be a 3. So the 3 could be here, could be there. It's not helping me here. These 2 boxes can be 4, so the 4 could be here, could be there. This box can be a 5, that box can be a 5, so the 5 goes together with the 4 as a pair, 4 and a 5, 4 and a 5. And this box is connected with that box, so 4 and the 5. So 2 numbers left in this area, 4 numbers, 2 and the 3, 2 and the 3. Let me mark those 2 and 3. Okay, these 2 boxes can be a 3, so the 3 could be here, could be there. Let me see. This box can be a 4. That box can be a 4. So the 4 could be here, could be there. That means that this box cannot be a 4 anymore because we have a double 4 there. If I place a 4 here, I cannot fill any 4 in one of those 2 boxes. So this box should be definitely a 5. And it's connected with that box should be also 5. And I've eliminated the 4, so the 4 goes here. Alright, this box can be a 4, so the 4 goes together with the 1 as a pair. 4 and a 1, 4 and a 1. 1 digit left in this corner box for number 2. Well, let me see. I think this box should be a 2 because it can be 1, should be a 2, can be 3, can be 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely 2. Now we have a 2 there, so this box can be 2 and more. That box should be a 2, and this box should be a 3. These 2 boxes can be a 2. That box can be a 2, so 1 box left for the 2 should be there. These 2 boxes can be 5, so 1 box left for the 5 should be there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and the 4. We have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and 3 goes there. Then. This box can be a 4, but also that box cannot be a 4. We have a double 4 there. If I place a 4 here, I cannot fill any 4 in one of those 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 4 in this area should be here. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and the 1. 3 and a 1, well, I cannot place the 1 here because we have a double 1 there. If I place a 1 here, I cannot fill any 1 in one of those 2 boxes. So this box should be a 3, and that box should be a 1. Now we have a 1 here, so this box can be 1 and more. That box should be a 1, and this box should be a 4. Wow, now we have a 4 there. I've marked those 2 boxes earlier with a 4, so this box cannot be a 4 anymore. That box should be a 4. Okay. These 2 boxes can be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1 should be here. 2 numbers left in this L-shaped area for numbers 2 and the 5. We have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 2 goes there. Now we have a 2 there, so this box can be 2 and more. That box should be a 2, and this box should be a 1. I think this box should be a 5 because it can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, can be 4. Yes, definitely a 5. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and the 1. We have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and a 3 goes there. Finish in 14 minutes. Told you. Should be an easy one. Can it be a 4 stars? Can it be a 2, a 4, 3 stars? Can it be a 2 stars? It's definitely a 1 star because I'm faster than 15 minutes. 14 minutes, yes. So I'm very well pleased with the time, and I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. And we will meet again tomorrow on Friday, the first Friday of the month. Yes, it's speed test. Yes, speed test. I've always a speed test on the first Friday of the month. So see you then. Have a great and fantastic Thursday, and we will meet you again tomorrow on Friday. Until then, bye bye for now.